Would you like to paint colorful galaxy skies with silhouettes like this or like this? Hi, I'm Eliza, the watercolor witch, and I'm going to be the teacher in this class where I'm teach you both of these projects. I taught more than 30,000 people around the globe on how to watercolor and paint with ease. So if you take this class, we are going to have much fun. I created this class directly to watercolor beginners. So if you are a newbie, don't worry, if you take this class, you will have tons of fun with it. Moreover, I'm here to help you if you have any questions. In the class, you are going to learn painting two versions of this painting, so you will have plenty of opportunities to practice these easy techniques. In the class, I'm going to talk about how to create a successful composition for your scene, how to use watercolor washes to create a lovely gradient watercolor sky background, how to splatter the stars on the painting, how to paint with the dreaded but fun wet-on-wet technique. And I will show you how to use salt and ink to create beautiful watercolor textures. While in the other classes you would need to sketch the project yourself, but in this beginner-friendly class I included a downloadable line art template so you can spare yourself from the disappointment of a messed up line drawing. There is nothing to risk. Here all you need to do is enjoy the painting process. Grab your brushes and start painting now.